I wanted to know if I'm getting disability, are they allowed to cut child support out of my disability?
So you get a disability check and you owe child support. If you don't pay it voluntarily, can they take it out of your disability check? What's the answer to that, Lee?
Well, there's two forms of Social Security that I typically deal with. There's SSI and SSD. Social Security disability I see garnished if the child is not eligible to draw off of the disability of the parent. The way it works is the amount that is being paid to the parent is used as the income to figure the child support. And then once that figure is put in place, if the child is drawing off of that parent, the obligor of the child support, then it's deducted out of the obligation of the payor. And usually I see it where the benefits to the child are more than what his obligation would be, or her obligation would be. But and that would zero it out. But if it doesn't, then they can cut it out of the disability income there. But typically, when you have a disability claim or that's awarded, then the back pay will cover a lot of the arrearage and stuff, because what I see is child support is not paid during the pendency of the action for the disability claim, and it may be 14, 15 months before it is awarded.
To a good point Bob made earlier, the top priority is the child being supported, and the courts are going to eventually do whatever they've got to do to get that paid. Is that accurate?
Right.
But just generally, it's impossible or hard to garnish disability, or no?
It doesn't seem to be.
Okay.
Now, I don't personally send garnishments in, or IWO is what we call them, the same type thing. But I do see that a lot through the Department of Human Resources.
Yeah.
They handle a lot of that disability type collection.